Hello everyone, this is Team 4 Sweep Squad, and this is our video presentation for 2024 fall semester capstone project. Professors are Victoria Kim and Professor Mehdi, and the members and the students who are engaged in this project are Jahangir, Vin, Adonai, Irmun, Abbasbek, and Frederick. And in this slide you can see our team members. I am the CEO of Sweep Squad. Here is given our table of contents that we will cover during this presentation. So we will start with project overview and product development, and this is going to be done by Frederick. And our IC students will introduce you prototype design and technology and process. And Win will present about market research and IP management. And then I will present about business model and operation. And finally, our last member, Abbasbek, will conclude the presentation and also will present about marketing part.
Hello everyone, my name is Frederick and I'm a financial manager of our team. And I'm going to talk about the project overview and the project development as well. So basically our project is addressing the pressure of issue of waste management in South Korea, particularly in the urban areas such as Incheon, Seoul, and university. So cities and universities are facing some challenges in the accumulation of waste, but didn't have real data in order to collect their waste. So our EcoE robot is going to, which is incorporated with IoT sensors, GPS, and cloud, which have the real-time data, which is going to help for the waste management. So one of the solutions is to help the staff cleaner, especially in our university, which we are not doing the recycling at all, so is to reduce the stress of the staff cleaner. So in product development we have the first one is product description, and our robot EcoE is an innovative waste management solution to integrate multi-type advanced technology to create a smart, more efficiency system. And to innovate, we have the stand out due to the unique combination, which we have. The first one is real-time monitoring waste level. So when our trash bin is full, though it's going to directly send the data to the robot, so he must be collect and do the recycling as well. We have also the advanced routes optimization is due to the algorithm. That part is to talk more and with more detail with our engineer part. And the value proposition is the EcoE offers numbers of benefits, making it attractive and solution for various stakeholders. So we have a government official can achieve significant cost saving through the optimization of waste collection and reduce operational expense. We have the sustainability part, which is important for our project. By improving the waste management, the EcoE is going to contribute to cleaner, the greener environment, ensures of the public health and safety. And we have also the user-friendly interface. The system is designed with the intuitive interface, making for easy cleaning and the stuff of administrator and user management as well. So to sum up the product development, our EcoE is a revolutionary waste management system designed to tackle the challenge of the waste management in South Korea, especially in the urban and cities, morely focus on the university, and our university is part of.
Hello, my name is Adinay. I am ISC student and I'm going to talk about prototype design and the key features of our project. For the key features of our project, the first one would be waste level detection. For the waste level detection, the system utilized the ultrasonic sensor mounted on the top of the bin lid to measure the distance between the sensor and the waste level inside the bin. This enables the precise detection of the waste level, ensuring the bins are only collected when necessary, which reduces the operational costs and unnecessary trips. The sensors can detect gradual changes in waste level over time, making it easier to track usage patterns and optimize collection schedules. For the next key feature, we will have data processing with Amazon Web Services. With this key feature, it allows us sensor data. It allows us that sensor data is transmitted to the Raspberry Pi. That is where the process data is then sent to AWS IoT Core in real time. And the historical data in AWS will allow us detailed analysis and optimization of collection schedules. This cloud-based processing ensures scalability and real-time insights, which are accessible from anywhere, allowing seamless monitoring and management of waste level across multiple locations. For the next key feature, we will have Turtlebot 3 integration. The Turtlebot itself is a robot that serves as the autonomous collection agent for the system. It is programmed to receive the instructions from the cloud based on the sensor data. Once a bin is identified as full, the Turtlebot navigates to its location using ROS, which provides precise path planning and obstacle avoidance capabilities. After collecting the bin, Turtlebot transports to its central disposal or processing area. Its ability to dynamically optimize routes ensures effective waste collection, reducing energy consumption and operational time. Furthermore, the integration of LiDAR and other sensors allows Turtlebot to navigate complex environments safely, adapting to its changes and its surroundings during the operation. And for the last key feature, we have real-time monitoring, which is enabled through a cloud dashboard or a mobile app, allowing operators to track waste level and system status effortlessly. It could be through custom alerts and notifications, ensures that users and administrations are informed of critical events such as system malfunction or simply when the bin is full via email or SMS. For the 3D and for the 2D and 3D model itself, you can see as the PPT shows that the Raspberry Pi with ultrasonic sensor attached to it will be inside the trash bin, as I said previously, attached to the lid of the bin. And for the Turtlebot itself, we didn't do the 3D modeling, but we did use cardboard to cover our robot, and later we will accessorize it with our logo to make it more presentable. Moving on, I will continue about technology and the process of our project. Here you can see the flowchart. The start of the flowchart will go from the sensor data collection. Ultrasonic sensor will see the state of fullness of the trash bin and send the data to the Raspberry Pi. Then the next step would be the processing of the data. All the data will be transmitted to the IoT core cloud of the Amazon Web Services. After that, the cloud analysis has to evaluate waste level of the trash bins, and then it will go into the decision-making unit. When the trash bins are full. After receiving the commands that they are full, it will go into the action for the Turtlebot. The Turtlebot has to initiate the route, the optimized route for the trash bin, and collect the required trash. After that, the last unit of the flowchart would be feedback loop. Real-time status will update the whole process and can be accessible via mobile app.
I'm going to continue the presentation with technology sector. For resources, we have hardware and software. Let's start with hardware part. Our robot can resemble the human pretty well. So let's say the cleaning worker needs to collect all the garbage in the local area efficiently in the least possible time. To do so, that person needs to have eyes to see the path and also need to have legs to move. So for our robot, we use Turtlebot 3 model for the navigation and movement. Okay, so even though it has the navigation and movement skills, how does it know where to go and how to go there? Human uses the brain for thinking and process those tasks. So our brain for the robot is Raspberry Pi 4B model. Okay, that's our two important components for hardware, and let's talk about the software part now. We need to control the Turtlebot with ROS2 framework. It's the most important software, and also we need to use communication protocol and also the data services for storing the data. Okay, so for communication, we need to communicate with the trash bins all the time. To do so, we need MQTT protocol and also AWS web services for storing those trash bin data. It's like the same way as asking from a friend by Instagram or text messages to know where and which trash bin is full or not. And looking at the phone, it's like the AWS service, and it's stored the data. And now let's talk about the implementation details. To bring the system to life, we started calibrating the Turtlebot configurations to ensure that the hardware components are correctly connected and working without any problems. Also, after that, we did the debugging processes for all the sensors and motors. Next, we connected the system to the AWS services for real-time notification sending and data processing. This allowed the robot to receive commands based on the waste levels and to optimize its routes for collection. For trash bin part testing, we directly use the physical sensor, ultrasonic sensor, to set the threshold value and accuracy and position. Finally, these tests allowed us to evaluate the robot's overall performance in real-world conditions. We focused on ensuring smooth communication between hardware and software components, optimizing the navigation routes and maintaining reliability under different operational conditions. The entire implementation process helped us refine the system, making it efficient and reliable and ready to address practical waste management challenges in diverse environments.
Hello, this is Win, Business Development and HR Executive from SweepSquad. Today, I will be presenting about the market research and the IP management. First, we'll go with our market and the industry overview. The market and the industry we're in is the environmental service industry. So the market itself is mainly the growth drivers because it have a rapid growth during the focus period due to the awareness rising for sustainable practices. Because like right now, the globally it is also like focusing on a greener future and the rising demands to reveal sustainability report on businesses. And let me go to the main markets we are focusing in Korea right now. So let's see how environmental service industry in Korea. In 2022, according to the statistics, government has been investing mainly to the industry, and also like around 60% of this investment was specifically directed toward the environmental sector itself. So key points about the Korean environmental service industry statistics. I would say the investment value is over 8.8 trillion South Korean won, and the focus area for the investment, it covers segments like water management, sustainable environment, and resource company. Like the growth trends for this industry is there's a significant increase in investment compared to the previous years. Next part, we will be talking about the key player in the market. The biggest player is Korea Waste Management Corporation, which is a government affiliate organization for waste management solution, including collections, recycling, disposal, and the environmental education. This could be our biggest direct competitor. And next one is the LG Chem, which could be our indirect competitor. Is a chemical manufacturing company that offers waste management technology, emphasizing sustainability and recycling solutions. And the next one is Volier Korea, which is also be our direct competitor, a global leader in optimized resource management, providing solution for water and waste service with a strong focus on circular economy principle. There is also second biggest direct competitor for us, who is focusing on innovative waste management research and education, focusing on developing sustainable practices and technology. And they are from the university base as well, Seongshin University Waste Management System. Last but not least is the SK EcoPlan, which can be our future and indirect competitor. It's an eco-friendly waste management services alongside with technology and sustainable urban development projects. Okay, now let's see how the waste are distributed in South Korea. According to the data of 2022, approximately 87% of the total waste was recycled in South Korea, while around 5% of the waste disposed were incinerated. The share of recycling decreased marginally compared to previous year. Now we're going to talk about our target market and beachhead market. Our overall target market is South Korea urban areas, particularly city with a strong emphasis in sustainability and waste management initiative. So right now our company is not big enough, so we will be focusing on the two big cities, which are Seoul and Incheon. Seoul is the capital city, densely populated with numerous universities and institutions, and Incheon, a rapidly developing urban area with educational institutions. So the city based can be a big initiative, so we also have a beachhead market, which are the university campuses. We're going to target university with significant waste generation, sustainability program, and student-led initiative. The three universities that we will be going for the initiative are NI University, Seoul National University, and Sunshine Women University. The reason we are going with those three universities first is because our university is in our university, and since the Seoul National University is the elite university, if this university accept our program and do the initiative, we're sure we have a better future before the another university implements those initiatives as well. And the Songshan Women University, as I mentioned in the key competitor, they have a very good waste management system, so we can try to make up the partners and build the initiative in the university. For the decision-making units, well, we have come up with 2 decision-making units for each target market and the B-chart market. For the end user, they are the cleaning staff and the garbage collector from the cities and the university campuses. The influencers might be the community and sustainability officer at the school and the city. For the initiators, they can be environmental activists and the students in the campus willing to use those kind of like robots. And the decision maker can be city, municipal, and the facility management at the university. Last but not least, economic buyer can be finance departments, personnel from the government office and the university.
I hope you're enjoying our presentation, and in my part I will be continuing the presentation by presenting about business model and pricing framework, and also I will also introduce you our operation, how we're gonna operate our business. So in this slide you can see the business model type. So we have 2 models. Like first one is subscription based model, in which customers pay a monthly fee for real-time monitoring roads and optimization, and also our customers are like private waste management companies, so they are going to subscribe to our product. And we also have hybrid option, which means that companies or private organizations are going to buy with initial hardware purchase, and then we also have subscription services, as I mentioned above. And then we also have revenue streams. There are 3 sections mentioned there. So first one is subscription fees, second one is equipment sales, and last one is maintenance contracts. 2 of them are optional, like subscription fees and maintenance contracts, but they are highly recommended. And equipment sales, which means that everyone can buy our product, and after buying this product they can also sign the maintenance contracts. And we also have here pricing framework. So 10,000 won per bean per month. This is our base subscription. And then we also have like come up with the idea of advanced pricing, like optional addition of $5 per bean for premium analytics. So our engineering department will analyze the data. And we also have additional trash bin price, 800,000 won for 35 gallons and 2,850,000 won for 64 gallons, and the cost of the 100 gallons are 7 million won. In this slide I'm gonna introduce you operation of our Sweep Squad organization. So we have 5 different stages of operation. First one is distribution channels, second one is manufacturing, and then logistics, and then installation, and last one is post-sale support. So let's firstly look at the distribution channel. So direct sales to government in partnership with government, and we are trying to involve in environmental programs to gain a fame. It will really help us to like become popular, and at the same time we can improve our sales. And we also try to have an online platform for individual clients. I think we can sell our product on Coupang or other retail apps. And the next stage is manufacturing. So products of IoT centers and robots, we will get them from third-party manufacturers with expertise in electronics. And also we are gonna like components are going to be sourced locally to reduce logistics costs. and support the local economy. And the third one is logistics. We are gonna use Inha University storage when is our like young business. We are trying to use Inha University storage, and after that we will try to find another warehouse. But for now, why not? And then use of Hanjin Group for future supply chain management. So as one of the biggest supporter and the organization that subsidizes Inha University, Hanjin Group is, I think, a really good option for logistics to deliver our products. And then fourth one is installation, a site assessment and the necessary hardware and software preparation, then the same smart pin installation and the integrated sensors and integrations through the application for optimal monitoring. And last one is post-sale support. Whenever the troubleshoot or any kind of problems occurs, our engineering department will help to cope with these problems to make the process smooth and without any issues.
Hello everyone, I'm Abbas Beg. So today I'm going to talk about the marketing strategy, and so here there are some marketing resources. So the first one is the city councils and commercial spaces and industrial complexes, and the next one, the focusing on the urban centers and with the management channels and are like a concert and sport events. This is one of the important and the most effective way of using marketing strategy, because car industry is also use this style. For example, if they produce a new type of car, they first put it in the taxi. Why? Because this is one of the best way and cheapest. The user of the taxi is the population. So our product is also one of the best way of using that style to put it in the sport and concert events. They use it and they start to interest our product. And there's not only the public. There will be organizers of big companies, and they will see it, and they will be our customer. And next one is collaborate and making like a diplomatic relationship with the environment influencers and with the bloggers. Why? Because for the time being, the number of the social network users are increasing significantly. So if we take a small video and if we give them bloggers, if they put in stories or if they put in the post, the viewers increasing, and this is also one of the best way of using marketing strategies. And collaborating with recycling and waste management firms and project shows with a partnership with the big companies like LG, Chimps.
The last part, I will be explaining about the IP management strategy. We came up with the 3 key strategy. The first one is IP identification patent. We're going to secure business model patents for the robots and its sensor and the software code we use in the robot. The second one is regular team trainings for the IP management to understand the whole process as a whole team. And the second one is the trademarks and branding. We're going to register trademarks for EcoE, the name itself, and the colors we use in the logo, and the branding elements such as the buildings and the brand we use in the logo to provide the copyrights for the other competitor not to compete our logos and not to imitate that. And last but not least, the legal compliance and the risk management. We're going to establish a viral IP strategy within the company with a regular audits and the risk assessments.
In conclusion, I would like to say that robots are the crucial in intelligent, like in environment and autonomous device, and provide the physical services, and in the robot system in the environment need particular capability like autonomous control system and simple and natural human robot interface and adaptive and learning capabilities. And the robot have main safety functions during operation, and everyone has their own functions, and everyone has their ambitions. And our team ambition is to provide the people with our interactive, innovative technology with good function and to make city clean. And if our product helps to citizens helping their city clean, that's what we wanted with our team. Thanks for everyone.
Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed our presentation. If you have any questions, see you on demo day.